The final development of the Pannier tank genre also occupies the 400s, the 34, 84 and 9400 tanks, built from 1947 onwards. Number 3409 was the very last steam engine built to a pre-nationalisation design, going into service in October 1956. In 1959, the first was scrapped. Such was the pace of change. Two survived, number 9466, illustrating the Great Western's association with the London Underground, who bought a number of ex-Great Western Panniers out of BR service and used them until 1972. These 9400s were the nearest to a churchward pattern of Pannier tank, with a cone boiler and no dome.